Good morning, dear students.
Good morning. God bless you.
Thank you so much. God bless you, children. Please be seated. How are you all?
Fine.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, today we are going to see a new topic, that is preposition. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Already we know what is about preposition. Today I am going to teach you through activity. Are you all ready to do the activity?
Yes.
Shall we go for the activity now?
Yes.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
Are you all interested in doing this activity?
Yes.
Okay. Nothing but here I am having some pictures. These are all pictures cards. After taking this picture, you have to find out the sentence cards. For the exact picture, you have to match with the exact sentence. Then you should find out what kind of preposition word is given in the sentence. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
Very good. Ready. Okay. Who is coming first?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Clap hands for me. I'll show the card. You just take your favorite card. Which card? Whatever card you want, you can take. Wow.
I want to take this card.
You want that card? Okay, very nice. Show the card to the other students also. Is it nice?
Yes.
Say something, dear.
Yes.
Okay, now find out the sentence which is related to that picture. Others listen. That picture related card. Okay, just read the card.
The cat was beneath the jar.
Very good. Read again.
The cat was beneath the jar.
Clap hands. Picture as well as the card. The cat was
Beneath the jar.
beneath the jar. Dear student, turn this side please. Which is the preposition here?
Beneath is the
Yeah, exactly. Super. Very good, very good, very good. Go to your place. And then who is willing? Second student, who is coming forward? Very good. Please come. Okay, very nice. Show the card to others. Show the card to others. Okay, now find out the sentence related to that card. Find out the sentence related to that card.
The fish is in the tank.
Very good. Super. Show the card to the students. Show the picture card also. Now say the preposition mark.
In the preposition.
In is the preposition. Very good. Okay. Next who is coming forward? Yeah, please come. Clap hands. Wow, you like that card very much, huh? Okay. Show the card to others. Have you all seen?
Yes.
Okay, now find out the sentence for that card. Search, search. Wow, she has found it instantly. Very good. Clap hands.
The dog is barking beside the box.
Read again. Read again.
The dog is barking beside the box.
Very good. The dog is walking beside the. Super, super. Keep the cards, keep the cards. Next student, please come. Next student who is willing to come. Come fast. Okay. I will show the technique. Whatever card you want, you can take. Oh, very nice. Show to others. Show to others. Very nice. You have found the sentence also?
Yes,
wow, so smart. Read the sentence.
The pen is between the books.
The pen is between the books. Very good. Clap. Say You are winner. Very good. Very good. Come fast. Okay. So these are the cards here. Whichever you want, you can take. Or show me the card. Nice. Do you like apple very much? Okay. Just show the card to others. All of you see?
Yes.
Okay. Now find out the sentence. You have found. Exactly. Super, super. Clap for me.
The apple is above the desk.
The apple is above the
Desk.
desk. Which is the preposition here?
Above is preposition.
Above.
Above.
Read the spelling.
A-B-O-V-E.
Above
Above.
is the preposition. Okay, now all of you say what is the preposition here?
Above.
Clap hands. Okay, next one. Next who is coming forward? Come fast. All of you should participate, okay? Oh, do you like the birds very much, huh? Okay, show the card to others. Just show the card first. All of you see. Last bench, what is going on there? Sit straight. Now find out the card. Pick the card which is related to the picture. Very good, very good. Read the sentence. Shanmadi, you may go.
Penguin lives with mothers.
Show me the card. You have to show the card like this. Penguin.
Penguin lives with mothers.
Very good. Lives with mother. Clap hands. Say loudly. With. All of you say? With is the preposition. Applause please. Clap hands please. Who is coming forward? The next student. Very good, very good. Come fast. Don't waste the time. Listen carefully. Like that picture very much. Show the card to others. Listen here. Okay. Have you all seen the card?
Yes.
Just pick the card now. Shanmadi, you may go. Read and show the picture.
The snake passes through the pipe.
The snake passes through the
Pipe.
Very good. Clap back. Okay, which is the preposition here? Which is the preposition? Through is the. Say the preposition.
Through is a preposition.
Say the spelling.
T-H-R-O-U-G-H.
Very good. Clap hands. Write the sentence now. You have just kept it here. You should give it to me. Very good. Then only 3 more cards are there. Who is willing? Who is willing to participate? Come fast. Those who are willing should come fast. Which card do you want? Oh, you like elephant very much? Okay. Show the card to others. Have you all seen the card?
Yes.
Just find out the sentence for the card. Only 3 sentences. Very easily you can find. Exactly. Read the sentence.
The elephant is behind the tree.
Very good. The elephant is behind the tree. Clap hands. What is the preposition here?
Behind preposition.
Behind is the preposition. Okay, wow. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Applause please. Okay. I am having only 2 cards. Who is coming? The last 2 lucky girls or lucky boys or lucky children. You are coming. Which one do you want? Okay. Show the card to others. Okay. Now just find out. It's very easy, no? Only 2 sentences are there. You can easily find out the sentence. Show me the sentence. Okay.
Ball is going towards the box.
Very good. Clap hands. The ball is going towards the box. Okay. Which is the preposition here?
Towards.
Read the spelling. Read the spelling.
T-O-W-A-R-D-S.
Very good. Claps. The last card. Who is coming? Yeah, Damini, please come. Come fast. Give claps. You need not find out. It's very easy. Only one card is here. Here also only one card. So you can easily match. Okay, read the sentence.
It's dangerous to run across the road.
Very good. It's dangerous to run across the road. It's a very nice sentence for your dear children. Okay, which is the word here? Preposition.
Across is the preposition.
Very good. Across is the
Preposition.
Okay, wow. Very good. Clap hands for Ram. Okay. Now you all understood this activity, and also I think you have understood the prepositions also. Now what you are going to do means, after going home, we have seen nearly 10 preposition words as I told you now. So what you have to do means, at home you have to write a new sentence, not these sentences. Okay, not these sentences. You have to frame different kinds of sentences by whichever preposition you want. Not only these 10 prepositions, whichever preposition you like from the textbook or from storybooks or from wherever else you want. You just pick 2 prepositions and write your own sentences and come by tomorrow. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
நாளைக்கு எல்லாரும் எழுதிட்டு வந்துடலாம்ல. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச 2 preposition எடுத்துக்கோங்க, 2 sentence எழுதி எடுத்துட்டு வந்துருங்க நாளைக்கு. ஓகேவா? யாரெல்லாம் டிஃபரெண்டா sentence மேக் பண்றீங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு we can read all those sentences tomorrow. Okay? Okay, take care.